Fire is a force of nature that has shaped the vegetation and ecosystems of the national parks. Fire is also a cultural tool used by people for heating, hunting, cooking, and clearing land for crops. Whether started by lightning, lava flows, or humans, fire plays a vital role in our national parks. The first national parks were created in the late 1800s. At the time, wildfires were put out because they were seen as a threat to the grand scenery. Over the years, we've learned that when all fire is suppressed, fuels build up, making larger and damaging fires unavoidable. Under certain conditions, fires threaten public health and safety, destroy property, damage natural and cultural resources, and become dangerous and expensive to manage. In other conditions, fires can be used to achieve important objectives, such as maintaining and improving habitat and removing hazardous amounts of vegetation. The National Park Service manages fires safely and effectively with the assistance of partners and neighbors. A successful fire management program includes many different people, including us. Working together, we can make fire management safe and successful in our national parks and surrounding communities. Tons of leaves, branches, and tree trunks pile up on the forest floor each year. This deep carpet means sure death for tiny sequoia seeds. It's so dry and impenetrable, they can't get started. Fire clears this natural litter, leaving behind better conditions for sequoia tree regeneration. Fire kills some sequoias, but benefits many others. Heat opens cones on the sequoias, and seeds rain down, landing on cleared soil, fertilized by ash. Heat kills insects and fungus that may attack the seedlings. Trees that compete for sunlight, moisture, and nutrients are killed. Once burned, an area is less flammable for several years, giving seedlings a good start. As an example, fire was completely suppressed in the giant forest of Sequoia National Park for a century. No sequoia seedlings grew in the giant forest, and the grove was choked by forest debris. This debris can fuel unnaturally hot, destructive fires. Such fires threaten even the big trees. Since the 1960s, the National Park Service has carefully planned fires to clear away these heavy fuels. Combined with natural fires, this will help return the giant forest to health. Ash Mountain Fire, Park Ridge, in service.
Good morning, Park Ridge, 929.
Good morning, Park Ridge. I have the privilege of volunteering as a fire lookout at the Park Ridge Fire Tower in Kings Canyon National Park. Working and living in a fire tower brings my love of nature and interest in history full circle. I also volunteer as a trail trekker in Sequoia National Park. Being in the tower, protecting the big trees, enhances the spiritual connection I also feel when I'm on the ground patrolling under those same trees. My time in training as a fire lookout has given me a stronger connection to nature and a unique appreciation for wildfires. I just wish they would stay out of the treetop canopies. Even though these fires are ugly in the short term, They make for a more healthy and beautiful forest in the future. One of my favorite crystals is clear quartz. When I come to the fire tower, I also bring smoky quartz. It just seems more appropriate since I'm looking for smoke. I wanted to offer a blessing. I usually use tobacco, but under the circumstances, being in a burned out area, I felt like tobacco wasn't right. So I'm going to offer a blessing with water instead.